as the juvenile in the Nirbhaya case is set to be released in a week now, MHA is mulling that they could ask the juvenile offender to sign a bond affirming good behavior after his release. But Nirbhaya's parents have questioned the decision.
उनके साइन कराने से क्या वो मान जाएगा कि नहीं हम बाहर आके गलत नहीं काम करेंगे? उसको वो साइन करने से क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? तो जब छोड़ना ही है तो 17 सवाल क्यों खड़े कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, जब उनके पास कुछ कानूनी नहीं है, सरकार में रहते हुए भी वो दिखा रहे हैं कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर नया नया फंडा लगाने की क्या जरूरत है? छोड़ना है तो छोड़ो, कि बॉन्ड साइन कर देगा तो वो नहीं करेगा बाहर आके गलत काम, वो इतना शरीफ बन गया है। तो मैं ये सब चीजों को नहीं मानती। मेरा मानना है मेरे लिए वो छूट गया, आजाद है, तो मुझे यही है कि मेरे को इंसाफ नहीं मिला। जैसे सरकार उसको हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है बचाने के लिए, तो उसी तरह सरकार की पब्लिक की भी सुरक्षा जिम्मेवारी है। एक बार पब्लिक के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए कि उसको छोड़ के सरकार हमारे समाज में जो उस उम्र के बच्चे हैं उनको क्या संदेश दे रही है।
Prema is joining us on the story now. Prema, Nirbhaya's parents are understandably anxious as this juvenile is set to be released. He served 3 years in prison for the heinous act he committed. But what are the details of this juvenile, of this bond that you're getting that MHA wants to sign with this juvenile accused?
Well, if you see, this is still in a contemplation stage, and MHA is thinking about this thing, and it is still at a contemplation stage, as I told you. Basically, what the MHA is planning to do is MHA is thinking about making the juvenile convict in the Nirbhaya case sign a legal bond affirming good behavior after his release, and this bond could be under Section 107 of the CRPC. The modalities of this bond is being worked out, and they are still mulling about this entire thing. If you remember earlier, the Women and Child Development Minister had also said that there is a need to keep this juvenile convict under watch after he is released, because under the law, there is no provision right now to put him back to the prison. In fact, we're also getting to know that very soon there is going to be a PIL that is going to be filed in the Delhi High Court today by BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy, also on this, about on the release of the juvenile convict. And of course, MHA also on its part mulling about making the juvenile convict sign a bond.